Hi, this is James Headley, and welcome back to the Living in Naples channel. Today we have a special guest. Sarah Arcanti has rejoined us today to talk a bit about a new loan program that may be of particular interest to those of you out there who are in the investor space. I certainly get a lot of interest, a lot of questions from folks who are thinking about the potential for investing in a property in Southwest Florida for long-term or short-term rental interests. And there are some videos on the channel talking about some of the things to be aware of on that front. And certainly hope that you'll reach out to me anytime with specific questions and discuss your particular circumstances and situation and interests. And we can talk about what might or might not work for you. And of course, I certainly appreciate you tuning in, liking, subscribing, and sharing. And now I'm going to turn it over to Sarah to talk about this loan program that might be of interest to some of you out there who are in that investor space. So thanks again, and over to Sarah.
Hey everyone, my name is Sarah Arcanti, and I am a senior licensed mortgage loan officer with Coastal Custom Mortgage. We are a locally owned and operated broker out of Savannah, Georgia. We're also licensed in Florida and in South Carolina. So I'm here today to talk to you guys about a really exciting new product that is specifically geared toward investors, meaning investment property owners for short-term vacation rentals, long-term rentals, all that good stuff. So this program is really designed to cut out a lot of the requirements that a traditional mortgage would need to qualify. So we don't need your income documents. We only need bank statements to show proof of funds for closing. What we do is we send an appraiser out when you go under contract that is going to assign a fair market rent value to your home. So basically, as long as that market rent value that the appraiser determines, now just to let you know, it has to come from the appraiser. It cannot be a realtor. It cannot be me. It can't be your dad. It's got to be the appraiser, okay? So as long as that covers the payment, you're fine. So you don't need tax returns. You don't need all that stuff that you would need if you were going to get a traditional financing. Couple stipulations. Like I said, number one, if the rent value doesn't cover that payment, it's not going to happen. Number two, it is investment properties only, so you can't buy a primary residence with this. It has to be investment. Number three, it's 20% down minimum, so make sure you have that enough for closing. And also the rate is going to be higher, okay? Why is that? Because it's a riskier loan, right? We're not asking you to send us your income documents. If you're a business owner, you might have had a major loss last year. We're not checking any of that. We're basically just saying the payment's offset with what we think the rent's going to come in, but that's a riskier exposure to the bank than it would be if it was a traditional mortgage. So it's a tool to get you where you need to be. It's not ideal. It's not something you're going to keep forever. You can refinance out of these at no penalty, just like any other loan. So think about it that way. Don't be afraid of the rate. This is a piece of property that is going to build you wealth over time. It will trump any kind of rate savings you hope to get. I hope that helps you. If you have any questions on the debt service loan, just give me a call, 912-660-1770, or email me at sarah, S-A-R-A-H, @coastalcmtg.com. Thanks so much.